And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
Morning, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update really on a couple of topics. Firstly around some changes to the video schedule and also where we're at as a channel at the moment. With respect to video production, we're coming to the latter part of the second island series of our epic 9-week winter series that started last year. I know it's been a long set of videos, and whilst I wish I could be more current, it sort of is what it is. I think it's a balance between the available time and not applying too much pressure on us. So as I said, it is what it is. So with that in mind, I want to try for at least to the end of this series releasing 2 videos a week. We've seen from the analytics that the average view duration of our 20 to 30 minutes is quite a lot lower. I think it is on most channels, to be honest. So maybe people prefer shorter bites. So we're going to chop the episode up into effectively 2 videos. So our videos tend to be 20 to 30 minutes. So I reckon, the 2 videos will be between 12 and, 20 minutes. Now I'm sure some won't care at all. Some would prefer just to watch us once a week. Well, hopefully this will work for both of you, as only if you've only got a slot once a week, then you could still watch the 2 videos together. What we're going to do is release as normal on a Friday at 6:30, and then I'll release a second video at 4 PM on the Sunday. So make sure you're subscribed. It's free. It simply goes into your watch list as one of our favourite channels. That way you won't miss us. So let's know your initial thoughts on this. Do you prefer the long format or the short one? 1 or 2 releases per week, or actually don't care? The second top was just an update on our travel plans really. This year's changed a lot. It's been a bit of a long winter for us. We normally go away in January and we had to postpone that because we had some long awaited hospital appointments that came through, and you know what it's like in the UK. If you don't go to them, you might be pushed to the back of the queue. So we delayed our trip. Anyway, we're about to go off to the Loire region of France. So if there's anybody got any great park outs, shout them out now, because that'll be fantastic.
Whilst editing this video, we actually got to a milestone of 12,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So thank you all so very much, as the channel is a reflection on your support and input.
Finally, if there's a topic of feedback and Q&A, if there's anything you want to ask us about our van life, about our trips, about us, then just drop them in the comments and we'll do perhaps a short video. Also, send us any feedback on what you like and what maybe we should do more of, and maybe things you don't like and do less of. That's a bit of a Pandora's box I'm about to open, but anyway, put them in the comments and we'll respond to them. Well, that's it. So once again, thank you very much for subscribing and watching our content and commenting, as really that's what keeps us going, to be perfectly honest. And we'll see you in the next video.
You are ready for a different kind of life.